If you like bold, warm, slightly sweet fragrance with a confident vibe, you need to know about this one. This is the Lattafa Asad perfume. It's technically unisex, but it leans slightly masculine because it's a deep, spicy character. This is how a packing looks like. It looks luxurious. And when you first spray, you get this spicy, almost creamy warm. There is a richness right away. Slightly sweet, slightly smoky, very attention grabbing. As it settles, the vanilla really starts to come through, blended with amber and woody notes. It becomes smoother, warmer, and more rounded. The dry down is where this fragrance really shines. It smells cozy but powerful at the same time. This is not a light, fresh daytime scent. This is more an evening, date night, cooler weather, fall or winter energy. It gives confidence, bold, and put together vibes. The performance is impressive for the price point. You don't need to spray many times because it projects wealth and lasts several hours on skin, even longer on clothes. If you enjoy warmth, spicy, vanilla forward fragrance, this is a little edge. This is probably be right to your alley. This is a good option to add to your collection.